Project management tools and techniques are essential to ensure a project's success. They help in planning, executing, and monitoring a project from start to finish. The 6 planning tools and techniques are Gantt charts, network diagrams, WBS, risk analysis, SWOT, and cost-benefit analysis. Gantt charts help to visualize a project's timeline and progress. Network diagrams help to identify critical paths and dependencies. WBS breaks down a project into smaller, more manageable pieces. Risk analysis helps to identify and mitigate potential risks. SWOT is used to analyze a project's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Cost-benefit analysis is used to determine if a project is worth the investment. PERT is a project management tool that helps to estimate project duration. Anyone who manages projects can benefit from using project management tools. Excel can be used as a project planning tool, but it has its limitations. Remember, using project management tools and techniques can help you save time, money, and increase project success.